This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Checking the electrical properties of your schematic. Schematic diagrams are more than just simple drawings. They contain electrical connectivity information about the circuit. You can use this connectivity awareness to verify your design. When you compile a project, the software checks for logical, electrical, and drafting errors between the UDM and compiler settings. Any violations that are detected will display in the messages panel. In this setting up the error reporting tab in the project options dialog is used to set up a large range of drafting component and configuration checks. The report mode settings show the level of severity of a violation. If you want to change a setting, click on a report mode next to the violation you want to change and choose the level of severity from the drop-down list shown in this image.